Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in a simple, effective, and effortless way. All you need to do is listen closely and watch this video several times to improve your comprehension and vocabulary naturally. Today's topic is the G7 and G20. What do they actually do? You've probably heard about these groups on the news, but what do they really mean, and why are they important to the United States and the world? Let's start with the G7, which stands for the Group of Seven. It includes 7 of the world's most advanced economies: the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, and Japan. These countries meet every year to talk about global issues such as the economy, trade, security, and climate change. Although it's not a formal institution with laws or rules, the G7 plays a big role in setting the international agenda. They work together to influence global financial policies and respond to world crises. For example, the G7 often coordinates responses to conflicts, pandemics, or economic recessions. Now, let's talk about the G20, or Group of 20. This group is much bigger and includes not only rich countries, but also emerging economies like China, India, Brazil, and South Africa. In total, it includes 19 countries plus the European Union. Together, the G20 represents about 80% of the world's economy and nearly 2/3 of the global population. Unlike the G7, the G20 was created after major financial crises to make sure countries work together to prevent future collapses. The G20 is more inclusive and focuses on big-picture financial stability, climate policies, and global development. So, what's the difference between the two? Think of the G7 as a small meeting of close friends with similar interests and values, while the G20 is more like a town hall with a wider range of voices and perspectives. Both groups are important because they allow world leaders to talk, find solutions, and build cooperation without needing a formal treaty. For the United States, participating in the G7 and G20 means having a seat at the table where global decisions are made. It gives the U.S. influence over economic rules, climate goals, digital policies, and much more. These meetings help shape the direction of the global economy and demonstrate the importance of international partnerships. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss our feedback video. It's key to mastering both English and world knowledge. Give us a like, share with your friends, and help us grow. We'll see you in the next video.